उनको तैयारी के लिए और रजिस्ट्रेशन के लिए दोनों के लिए पर्याप्त समय दिया जाएगा। और अंत में जहां तक अग्निवीर का रिक्रूटमेंट ट्रेनिंग सेंटर में जाने का सवाल है, तकरीबन दिसंबर इस साल के दिसंबर तक पहला अग्निवीर की ट्रेनिंग रिक्रूट सेंटर में शुरू हो जाएगी।
सर धन्यवाद। सर, it's been 3 days since the Agnipath recruitment entry scheme was announced. What has been the response within the army, and what is your own assessment about this scheme, sir?
Let me start by saying that our units and formations are ready to embrace this change, and not only are they prepared, but they are extremely keen to adopt the Agnipath scheme. Our effort will be to spread awareness about the scheme up to the last soldier in the earliest possible time frame. As far as the youth is concerned, I feel they haven't fully understood the contents and the implications of the scheme, and that is why there are some apprehensions in their mind. But once they have fully understood the contents of the scheme, I'm sure that they will realize it is not only for their good, but also for the good of the nation and good of the Indian Army. In the last couple of days, a number of initiatives have been announced by the state governments, different ministries, certain corporate houses and other agencies. I think all this will only allay their fears and further help them gain confidence in the scheme.
Sir, last night there was an announcement about the age extension of 2 years to be granted for the recruitment cycle of 2022. What are your views on this announcement, sir?
So the government's decision to grant this 2 years waiver for the first, or the one-time waiver for the recruitment cycle 2022, I think will provide a good opportunity for the young, energetic and motivated youth who have been waiting to get recruited and for some reason in the last 2 years could not partake in the recruitment process. So I think this is a good opportunity for them. As far as the schedule of the recruitment is concerned, I think in a very short time we shall be announcing it. And I would like to appeal to the youth to come forward and be part of the recruitment process as and when we announce it.
Sir, by when the recruitment process under the Agnipath scheme start, and by when can the country get its first Agniveer?
Like I mentioned, this recruitment process will commence very shortly. In the next 2 days, this notification will be posted on joinindianarmy.nic.in website. And thereafter, in the next stage, our various recruitment offices will promulgate the dates for registration and conduct of rallies, including their locations or places pan-India. And in all this, we will make sure that the prospective candidates